I work at Hodan Fishing. My name is Abdiwali Farah Ali. We bring fish from the sea to Nugaal and Mudug regions. There has been a big change. Before, the people who lived near the sea wouldn't even eat fish. Now everybody is consuming fish. Before, only 33% of the population ate fish. Now 67% are enjoying the health benefit. We have been sending 4 small boats out to sea, but now we have 2 large boats that we bought with a loan through Shuraako. When we get the fish, we take it back to the shore where we have a processing facility with an ice machine. Then we bring our catch to the city where we debone, descale, package, and then sell to Nugaal and other cities in Mudug. Before, it was difficult because we only had small boats that could not hold all of the fish we caught. The customer demand was high, but we didn't have enough fish. Now, after getting a loan through Shuraako, our profit has increased. I want to thank Shuraako because now we have a big boat that can go into deeper water and stay in the ocean overnight. Our smaller boats could only stay out a few hours at sea and then they have to come back. Now we can stay overnight and catch more fish. Our customer can now rely on us because they consistently buy fish. If Shuraako didn't invest in us, it would be a lot more difficult. We appreciated their facilitation because our profit has increased. Each of our new boats can carry 6 people, so now we have 12 employees that go out to sea. Here on shore, we need to hire at least 4 or 5 people to process the fish, so we are creating between 18 to 20 new jobs. Before, our boats could only take 4 people. We had 20 to 22 employees. But now we have had to increase our staff. It would help this area a lot when you bring credit to people who qualify. Those people will definitely create new jobs. Access to credit can create a better environment in our society. For me, I believe that it is nice when you see somebody start something and you help them instead of just sitting there. If you see someone starting a project, it shows that they are motivated to work. Maybe you want to help that person.